Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken to Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy regarding the chemical leak that took place in Visakhapatnam. He has also assured all possible help and support from the centre. Now, we're given to understand that the Prime Minister who spoke to Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy regarding this particular chemical leak, the Prime Minister there assuring help and support from the centre at this point. Remember, there are at least 7 deaths that have been reported and hundreds of villagers who have been impacted. They have been admitted to various hospitals for further treatment, and this is an extremely critical situation because we're also looking at an FIR which has been filed at this point, and further probe is underway to ascertain how this leak really took place and what were the kind of measures and checks and balances that were put in place, and were there any kind of checks and balances that were put in place to avoid a situation like this. So those definitely are going to be the big questions at this point. But this is the big news coming in. Prime Minister there speaking to the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy regarding this chemical leak, assuring of all possible help and support from the centre. Going back to my colleague Pramod for further updates on this. Pramod, just an update coming in at this point. Prime Minister they're extending all the support and help from the centre, and he just spoke to the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy, who in fact is en route to Visakhapatnam to take stock of the situation. Considering that the entire country is in the middle of the coronavirus pandemic, Andhra Pradesh, one of the states which is also worst affected, what is the kind of help and support that is required at this point to deal with a gas leak of this sorts?
Well, the first and foremost thing is that they in the core area immediately they have to move a lot of amount of ventilators, because within the core area, those people who have inhaled the gas, they will have a lot of trouble breathing right now. So that's the first thing. Foreign authorities claim they have adequate ventilators which have been kept over there, and more are being moved from various locations. Since already the ventilators were procured and kept separately to handle COVID-19 cases, but at the same time we are not exactly sure how large the number is going to increase, because as we speak, this is an update around 9 a.m. The people's number were who were taken to the hospital was 150. This is definitely expected to increase as well. So the first and foremost thing is that assistive breathing is something they have to worry about immediately. The second thing is that authorities claim that they are doing door-to-door sweeping to find out if any people had collapsed inside their home. So that is also going to take a lot of manpower. But they foreign officials claim that they are handling the situation. So definitely assistance in these two aspects the state requires immediately.
All right, Pramod, again request you to stay with us. We are getting more news that's breaking this minute.